Oh, is that your? I can't remember.
It's my first one.
It's the first one. Guy, you come and sit here. Don't
a
worry.
lily.
Oh God,
Guy, you
that
come
could
and
be
sit
me.
here.
No, it isn't. I wasn't. I thought it was.
You come and sit here, Mum. You come and sit here.
Thank you, and I can watch. Darling, what
You
a
can
love!
open your
Oh
presents.
my goodness me!
Your coffee will be now. So
Yeah, don't worry.
Bruno, let's open
What do you think that is, Talia?
What is it, do you think?
It's my chair. Oh yes, well, you've got your chair, but what's your present? You both, are these Mummy and Daddy's?
Oh, these are from us.
No, those are from.
No,
Oh,
and
no.
I can't remember.
No,
Just like you, Mum.
oh my goodness me! You've got a piano, is it? No?
Talia, it's a computer.
Wow.
Wow, my goodness me!
Goodness me!
Isn't that
It's
lovely?
your laptop. Can somebody help her?
Gosh, she's a real little girl now.